My name is Adrian with Project Ramos, and on this channel I do tech reviews and tech unboxings, so if you're into that type of content, consider subscribing. Hey there folks, what I have here is the Arrowmax Electric Screwdriver. It's a 102-in-1 electric screwdriver. It comes with a ton of accessories that make this electric screwdriver very useful. Let's take a closer look. Here are the controls for this screwdriver. You got a reverse and a forward button here. And then this little section here are LED lights to let you know the power state of the battery. So as soon as you press one of these buttons here, then the LED lights will automatically light up to let you know the power state of the battery charge. And in addition to that, you'll notice 4 LED lights here on the front to help illuminate your work area as you're unassembling or assembling a device. On the bottom of the unit here is the USB Type-C charging port here. Charging takes about, I would say about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So, it's typical for a device of this size. Now, the whole unit is encased in aluminum, and it has this real nice gray color to it. So it's a really nice looking product. It's built very well. It feels premium. I really do like the feel of this product. Now, the accessories that come with this product is you're going to get the drill bits that come with this, and we'll take a look at those in a second here. You also get a magnetic mat. Now, this magnetic mat comes in handy when you're unassembling a device, and as you're accumulating screws, especially small screws, it's good to have a magnetic mat to stick them onto. That way you won't lose them, and then you can also place them in order of how you're removing them from the product. So it's a very useful thing to have when you're working with really tiny screws. And then also you get the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. And my favorite part that comes with this is this little stand right here. It's also made of aluminum, and the look and feel of this, I mean, especially the look, this thing just looks very cool. This is going to allow you to place the electric screwdriver right on it so that it will hold it like this, and then so you can have this on your desk, in your work area, and then have access to the electric screwdriver at any point in time when you need it. It just looks very cool on the desk, on your work area, and it's very functional, being that it's going to allow you to have your electric screwdriver close at hand. Now, the drill bits, as I said, it comes with a ton of accessories. This drill bit case is very cool, being that all you got to do is push in on the top, and it pops out, and it reveals now the tray that holds all of the bits that this electric screwdriver comes with. And there's a ton of bits. So you got all of these bits on this side. You flip it over, and it's also full of bits on this side. Now, what's cool about these bits is that they're double-headed. So I'm going to take one of these here to show you what I'm talking about. So each one of these bits has 2 drive heads on them. So this one in particular has a Phillips on one side and a flat head on the other side. So essentially what you've got here is a ton of drill bits, all double-headed. So you're going to have a lot of choices here depending on what device you're unassembling or assembling. In addition to that, if you get in a situation where the electric screwdriver isn't strong enough to unscrew a product or even torque down a screw, then you can use this piece right here and manually torque down a screw here. The top here, the top section of this piece swivels so that you can hold it in place and then turn it, so that you're going to be able to have a lot of control over this screwdriver bit here. So on the opposite end, that's where your drill bit goes, and it just slides in very simply, just like the electric screwdriver. Same thing with the electric screwdriver. You just slide it in the front right there, and you're good to go there. And as soon as you either hit the forward or reverse button, then the LED lights come on, and you're good to go there. So it's a very cool little product here. It's built very well. It looks cool. It works, and it just all around, I think this is a very nice little product to have if you are in the market for an electric screwdriver, a precision electric screwdriver. This thing comes with a ton of bits, so you're going to be able to most likely find the bit that you need to be able to work on whichever project that you're working on. And again, my favorite feature is this little holder right here, being that you can just drop it right there, put it on your desk, and it looks cool. And you're always going to have your electric screwdriver close at hand.